Okay, well, this is a excavator 345 where the two holes on the stick section that connect to the bucket is worn. I'm gonna weld them, re-weld them, and cut them back to size. So as you can see, the job is well secured. You have to ensure that it is well connected and properly anchored. And for this piece of wood, I'm going to remove a section of it where it will be much easier for me to position for the welding process. So stay tuned. I will get back at when I'm finished the job. You'll see the finished product of it. So this is preparation. I already pre-grind the holes to remove all material that is not supposed to be there, such as if there's any loose bearings or rust and grease. I remove all of that. So I'll just go ahead and do the welding. I'll get back. Stay tuned. As you can see, the hole is finished welded. Well, there's a bit of sputter here, but I'll chip these off before I line up the machine to cut. These are sputtered from the overhead when I was doing the overhead weld they fall. But these are nothing to worry about. So that side finished, this side is finished. Already welded both sides. So I'll let it cool a bit. Have some lunch and then I'll come back and start the line. So stay tuned. Cutting process started. As you can see, the machine is cutting. It's going pretty well. So I have this side, and then I come this side afterwards. Well, for this job it will take a longer time because I'm cutting this job to leave a stop at the back to prevent the bushing from pass through. Well, all of them don't require that, but this job particular had it before, so I'm just gonna repair it with it in it as it was. So stay tuned. Farmers Land Boring Services, where we get you back on your wheels or on your track. For this job, I will work late on it this evening because I'm trying to get it completed today, that I can move on to another thing tomorrow. So I might be here for the night. So stay tuned for the finished product. Well, it's night, so you're not gonna see it so wonderful, but this is it. Job completed. Nice, smooth and nice. Cut, polish, just for the customer now to press in the bushing, and then they can fit up the machine. This is Farmers Land Boring Services, where we go the extra mile to get you back on your wheels or on your track. Job well done.